Let's talk about another fascinating and highly innovative technology known as drones and autonomous vehicles for last-mile delivery and yard operations. Imagine a large distribution center or a busy city where packages need to reach customers quickly, or goods need to move efficiently across a vast warehouse yard. Traditionally, human drivers and forklifts handled these tasks, which was time-consuming, costly, and prone to delays. Now, drones and autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing these processes, enabling faster, safer, and more reliable operations. So, what exactly are these technologies? Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles capable of flying predefined routes to deliver packages or monitor inventory. Autonomous vehicles are self-driving ground vehicles designed to move goods within warehouses, yards, or even urban environments without human intervention. While early experiments with drones started in the early 2000s and autonomous vehicles in the 2010s, recent advancements in AI, sensors, and GPS have made them practical for real-world supply chain applications. Let's see how these technologies work step by step. For drones, the first step is task assignment, where the system identifies which packages need delivery. Next, the drone plans a flight path, avoiding obstacles and restricted zones. Then, it picks up the package, navigates to the delivery location, and safely drops it off, finally updating the system to confirm completion. For autonomous vehicles, the first step is receiving a transport instruction from the warehouse or yard management system. Next, the vehicle uses LiDAR, cameras, and AI algorithms to navigate, avoid obstacles, and reach the target location. Finally, it unloads or drops off the goods and updates the system. The uses of these technologies are wide-ranging. Our first type is last-mile delivery, where drones deliver packages directly to customers, especially in hard-to-reach areas or during peak demand periods. Our next type is yard and warehouse material movement, where autonomous vehicles transport pallets and containers efficiently across large spaces, reducing manual labor and errors. Another type is inventory monitoring and surveillance, where drones provide real-time aerial views of storage yards, helping track assets and detect issues proactively. A top real-life case study is UPS, which faced challenges in delivering medical supplies and packages quickly in urban areas. Before drones and autonomous vehicles, delivery times were slower, and costs were higher due to traffic and manual handling. UPS implemented drone-assisted last-mile deliveries and autonomous yard vehicles in 2020, focusing on hospitals and large campus deliveries. As a result, they reported up to 70% faster delivery in targeted areas, reduced operational costs, and improved safety in yard operations. So, in a nutshell, we simply seen that drones and autonomous vehicles are transforming last-mile and yard operations, making them faster, safer, and more efficient. Hopefully you like this concept, because now you can clearly see how innovation in robotics and AI is shaping the future of supply chain logistics. That's amazing learning I believe you have today, and a crucial insight into modern automation strategies.